Well, hello there, ladies and gents. Today we have a 1973 Lakewood, and as you can see, it's in really good condition. There's a few grill slats missing on the front, and it is in Avocado Green. Let me get really close. There you go. That way you can just drink in the Avocado Green. Just smell it, lick it. Avocado Green, bitches. Not a whole lot to say about this fan. Standard Macmillan motor, 1973 model, and metal aluminum blade set. This fan has been in storage for quite some time, and contrary to popular belief, no, we don't have one of each fan. We have hundreds of fans. So, if you see a fan on this channel, it doesn't necessarily mean you've seen it before. If we have a second-gen Lakewood, we have 50 of them. So, just to let you know, a lot of people have been mentioning, hey, you're filming fans that you've already filmed. No. Like with the Robeson, we have at least 4 Robesons. I've seen 4 of them in our collection here. So, don't worry. We're not recycling old content. We're giving you the new stuff. Alright, so enough about that, and without further ado, let's hit high. And of course, like before, I will be getting audio of the motor. This fan has a particularly interesting startup sound. Okay, and let's let it spin down. And it moves a crap ton of air because you can't see it behind me, but it's blowing things all over the basement. Wow, that's a pretty long spin down right there. Alright, and here goes medium. Spin down from medium. And these fans that I'm pulling out to show you, I'm showing them to you before I maintenance them. So I still need to clean this one up and oil it so that it's ready for use. We don't put dirty fans away, so it was cleaned and oiled when we put it away, but who knows? It may have been sitting 2 years, it may have been sitting 10 years. So we just like to go ahead and service these fans after we pull them out of the collection for use. And here is low. It has just the smallest trace of vibration on low. But a really cool sound. Alright, let's see what the spin down is from low. There were other companies that made clones of this exact fan. I'm not entirely sure who they were, so comment down below if you know. I know there's a lot that were similar, but there were a few clones of this 1973 Lakewood. I just don't remember which companies, or which brands they were sold as. So let me know if you know. Okay, time for startup sounds. Here's high. And medium. And low. Alright, and that does it for today's video of our 1973 Lakewood. Make sure to hit like, make sure to hit subscribe, and come back and check out the next video. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.